Welcome to the Hooptie World Championship,
where we attempt to level up actual competition of garbage cars.
What?
That's right. I'm David Freiburger. That's the lovely and talented KJ Jones.
That's right. We're at the epicenter of motorsport competition. I hate you, but I want you to do well.
Right. Wait, what? Well, Cage, finally,
Here they come.
you feel like an official broadcaster right now?
Hooptie World Championship.
Our vehicle's name is Liam Neeson.
I love the name. Liam Neeson's one of my favorite actors of all time.
Didn't know that.
Yeah.
Action.
The truck is a dirty bird.
Dirty bird. The bird got its name from...
We're Mob Z. Yeah.
Pretty confident we're gonna do pretty well. We have a lot of experience. I mean, both of us are pretty composed when it comes to hitting the fan.
Hey, can we wrestle? Okay. So our car's name is MR2D2.
It's pink.
Yeah, it's white. What
I
do you guys
thought it was white. If you want to hear the irony, he does wiring and I paint cars. And we're colorblind. There's a good possibility that the engine will explode.
So for vehicle name, Blackhawk. We basically threw some random names together, Blackbird, Nighthawk, Knight Rider, you know, just throw it all together and went with it. So it's Blackhawk.
I like it.
So our vehicle name is Wagon Slayer.
Kind of looks like my grandma's car.
I'm just ready. I'm just ready to start this race.
It's gonna be fun.
Oh, sorry.
Heads up, everybody. We've got our very first announcement.
This is it.
We are racing. Is that freaking awesome? Woo!
That was unexpected.
Don't be last.
It's gonna take a lot to keep it together.
I'm pumped about it.
Pretty sure we're gonna do really well, especially with this guy behind the wheel.
From dust and dirt, a champion will emerge.
Hell yes!
We're living the Hooptie life.
Go, go, go! This is the Hooptie World Championship.